Who is that person? Mr. Tesla. This man literally changed the world. That's crazy, man. He was Serbian. Nikola Tesla, the one and only, the legend himself. He definitely changed the world. So how you feeling, Alexander? You feeling good?
Good.
Yeah. So really, let me see what we can do. Yeah, man, so we're out here. Really, me and Alexander came out here because we want to eat some pljestavica. Pljestavica is kind of like this huge burger. It's just really nice burger, and we will find some pljestavica. What do you see, Alexander? Yes, sir. My eyes are a little bit red right now because this evening we were doing the sauna. We were in the sauna, and it was a little bit hot. We have a store right here. I'm not sure what's the name of that. I heard their food is good, but I don't know what that's all about. We gotta peep the yellow store. We got some fruits over here. Listen, bro, I need to eat some fruits. Let me see. Dobar dan. Mama, can I have some fruit? Let me see. Is it okay? Oh yeah, awesome. Thank you. Alexander, would you like some fruit? No fruit. I'm kind of wondering what I should buy. I want some fruit. I feel like I want like a banana or something. Or apples. I'm not sure if I want an apple. Perhaps a banana. I want one that is ripe. I don't know, maybe I buy two. Mama, can I have two? Oh, there you go. Thank you. Havala. Alright, we got some tangerines. This is a tangerine. You know what I find interesting? We are the stories we tell ourselves. Which is crazy, bro. Meaning, you gotta tell yourself really good, positive stories. Because we are the stories we tell ourselves. It's good. It has some seeds, but it's good. One chocolate. It's real good. It's sweet, right? Very good. Sure, how's it going?
Bro, how are you?
Hey, all is good, man. Take it easy. Apatin is dope, bro. A lot of really nice, friendly people. I guess we gotta check this yellow store. I'm not sure what I want to buy. Alexander, we go into the yellow store. Let's do it. Alright. Zdravo. I'm not entirely sure what I should have. Got a few candies here. I'm not sure what I should have, man. There's a lot of candies and stuff right here. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Oh, Alexander, would you like some? I will have this right here. Serbia. It's kind of like energy. It was more like a mineral water. I love this. You good? We go find pljestavica. Let's go, let's go. Well, you gotta check this out, bro. Come here, bro. You gotta show that. This right here. This is so cool. Check this out. Check this out. Send an order for you to drink this. So right now, as it is, this is just water, just voda, just water, right? And so you tear that off. You tear off the little safety it has right there. Then you press this. And when you press it, then you shake it. And there we go. No, it's mixed. Good stuff. Very nice, very nice. Bro, I love this thing. It's really good. There's this store here called Herms. Looks like they sell a lot of really fancy stuff for the gents. Chinese cat right there. A lot of good stuff for the gents. This is where you get it at Herms. We good, man. Friday night in Abatin. Hey, there's a little pup. On Sundays, a lot of people come out here and sell their produce and whatnot. This right here is gourmand. You buy something? Clip. Okay, I'll wait for you. Right. So Alexander went over to buy some kleb, means bread. Hey, mama. How are you, mama? How are you? Good to see you. Mama, good to see you. I'm doing a YouTube. I'm doing a video tonight. Good to see you, mama. Yes. I love mama. I love you, mama. Mama is beautiful, man. She's so loving. I love her, man. Oh. How you been? You look good, dobro. Yes, mama. This is David David's Picara. I'm not sure, but we have a lot of different varieties of treats over here, man. This right here is a Balkan food called burek. I guess these are like cheese sticks. You got a lot of pizza right here. You have some sandwiches, and mama, I need to have this, mama.
Chocolate muffin.
Yes, I love it. I love it, mama. I gotta have the muffins, man. My chocolate muffin.
Yeah? Još nešto?
Yeah, just one, mama. Yeah, one is a lot.
90.
Okay, I got it, mama. Let's see. No. This is 90 dinars. Alright, here we go. Dobro, mama. Dobro.
Nemoj.
Dobro, mama.
Nemoj me sekirati.
No, mama. Thank you, mama. Hvala.
Hvala tebi.
Mama.
Hvala, baš mi je drago.
Mama, hey, mama. Volim. One love,
Ja
mama.
isto.
Volim. One love. Bye, mama. Love you, mama.
Ciao.
Ciao. So that is David's Picara. We have a lot of different wonderful treats and whatnot. And I'm just vibing, man. I just got my muffin, and now we're about to grab some pljestavica. Alexander, what did you buy? Bread? Nice. Kleb. Some bread, some kleb. Hello, how are you? Ciao. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I should have like the really big one or a small one. This is right here. This is the menu. The ones that we want are is up there. Pljestavica. Oh, do we have big one or small one? What do you think? Small. Maybe small. Right. A small pljestavica. Bro, I think I want to have like a medium one. You know? I'm gonna have the second one right here. Second one? It's not too huge. Right. That's perfect. I would like 2 pljestavicas,
Okay.
please. Medium.
Okay.
And you know, I was kind of wondering. You see how the bread is on the top,
Okay.
like my one, without the bread being roasted. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah. So no bread.
You want just like this?
Yeah, just like that. Yeah,
Okay.
I like it soft. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. You know, come on, man. Come on. Man. I don't like it roasted. Yeah. But it's wonderful, man. I love it. Listen, I bring all my friends here
Okay.
because for example, my friends from America, they need to have the pljestavica experience because in America they sell Big Macs and Whoppers, but they're not good. And not just that, the Big Mac is like this. It's very small. They say Big Mac, but when my friends come here and they see a big pljestavica, they're like, yo,
It's normal.
that's normal.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's real food. That's something to love about Serbia, man. There's a lot of really good food, real food, good people, real people, you know?
Yes.
Which is beautiful, beautiful.
Here is nothing fake.
No, you know. It's all love, you know? It's all love, man. Life is beautiful. I drink it all day. So when I taste this will be the greatest thing ever. Can I ask you, what type of meat is it made from?
From Serbia.
Yeah, from Serbia, but is it like beef? Is it like pork?
It's half of beef and half of pig.
Pig, okay. Awesome. It's a mixture. 50-50.
Yes.
That's really good,
70-30.
70-30. 70 beef?
70 beef on
Okay.
30. Yes.
Nice.
400. Majoneza?
Yes.
Aha.
Ciao.
Ciao.
And probably a little bit of that.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you want parmesan?
Oh no, thank
Okay.
you. Yeah. Every time I eat cheese, whenever I eat cheese, I feel big. I feel super full with cheese, you know. Yeah. Alexander, I got it.
This is yours? Together? Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. Should we? How much is it, pljestavica? Just for the video, how much is it? It's
Everything for $5.
everything below $5. Everything on the menu.
No, for yours.
Oh right. Awesome.
$3.
Okay, awesome.
$3.
Okay, $3 for this pljestavica. Awesome, man. Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Havana.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Bro, this is $3. Hello, sir. I'm kind of wondering, should we find somewhere to eat it? Yeah, we gotta find somewhere to eat this pljestavica. Pljestavica, gang, let's go! Let's go! Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll be able to show how big this is, but look at it. Heck yeah. Alright, hold on. I got this. This is huge. Humongous. Look at that. Humongous, man. This is huge. Very huge burger. It's good, bro.
Good.
Gotta tell you, man, gourmand is the best. Gourmand is so good. What the heck? So I was trying to do a tour of Apatin, go to different stores that I buy and whatnot, but it's raining, and I think some people aren't too receptive. They're not too welcoming to the camera. When they see the camera, it's like no, bro, like you can't do that here, which is fine. I'm not doing anything bad. I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm just kind of like filming my experience going to these stores and trying to just filming my experience really, because I find it fascinating. However, I will not film into any establishment. If they don't want to be filmed, it's fine. Things are a little bit different here, and you gotta respect the views and the opinions of wherever you are, especially if you're not from there. So I won't really film much, I guess. I don't know, but it's fine. I don't have a problem. I'm eating my pljestavica. Bro, I think I'm full. Are you full? I think I'm getting really full. I didn't eat all day, so this is good. It's a big boy. The Big Mac, the Whopper, all those big burgers have nothing in this. Not a chance. Girl, we must live life with zero fears. You know what I'm saying? Zero fears. Live life with love. You know what I'm saying, girl? Zero fears. I'm telling you, girl. I'm telling you. Whenever you live life without fear, and whenever you live life with love, God got you, girl. Girl, God got me. I'm telling you. Alright. Idea, let's go. I didn't eat all the pljestavica because I gotta share with my guy. I gotta share with my guy, man. Hello, my friend. How's it going? How's it going? That is yours, my friend. Go for it. You don't want it. That's yours. That's yours. You might be full. I don't know, maybe he's ill or maybe he's full. I don't know. Oh boy. He'll be fine. I'm sure he'll eat it. Bro. So I want to go buy some treats, probably some biscuit, probably some milk. Something nice. Yeah. But I'm just kinda wondering. You think I should film in there? Should I take the camera in there? Should I make video? You think so? I mean, I don't want people to get hungry, It's I don't know. I want no problems. Nima problema. For real, like if some like sometimes, when people start to like see things, I'm like, bro, zero problems, man. I live life with zero problems. So I don't want to make anyone upset. I'm kind of wondering, bro. What would you like? You know what I've been thinking about? I've been thinking about milk. Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk with some biscuit. We could get some oats biscuit. Chocolate milk and biscuits. They have the protein here. Where's the almond chocolate milk? Come on, there's no almond chocolate milk. I try to stay away from the milk. I don't know, milk doesn't really, I don't know. I'm looking for the almond milk. Milk, but not just any kind of milk. I want chocolate almond milk. That's the milk that I want. Alexander, we gotta go check somewhere else. I think I know where. There we go. Chocolate milk. Silky smooth chocolate flavor. I think I'll grab 2 of these. What are you having, my friend? You don't want any?
No.
You don't want cola?
No.
No? You're good? Ah, you gotta grab something. Come on, bro. You don't want one? You're good. Ah, anyways, I'm having 2 of these. Now we need to find a biscuit. Biscuit time. We'll go find a biscuit. Alright, here we go. These are my favorite biscuits. I don't really know why I like them. I don't know, I think I like the texture and I like oats. So they're just perfect. However, I try not to eat too much. Because sugar doesn't do me well. Not all the time. Almost never actually. Every time I have sugar, I just crash. All the time, man. I really don't know why. Sugar has this weird effect on me. So I'm kind of wondering. This is kind of like the regular crunchy cereal. I usually have this, or I would have the chocolate, or I would have the carrot cake. But honestly, the chocolate, I find the chocolate to be a little bit overwhelming sometimes. You know, like the chocolate taste doesn't feel too chocolatey. It's kind of hard to explain. This one is a little bit too sweet. I love this a lot, but it is a little bit too sweet. So I think I will go with this one here. Oat cake. This one. This is it. Yo, you know what I just realized? I have 2 milks in my hoodie. What am I doing? That would be shoplifting. Bro, I had 2 milks in my hoodie. You know, in my hoodie. What the heck is that? That is not good. Never ever do that, man. Anyways, let's go. There we go. It's snack time. Bro, we're getting wasted tonight. Wasted with milk and cookies. I'm wasted with chocolate, milk, and cookies, y'all. That's how you do it. That's how I do it. Oh, there you go, bro. That's yours. Alright. Good old chocolate milk. Magic. This is magical. Magical, bro. It's good, right? Heck yeah. There you go, bro. We gotta go 50-50. At least 50-50, you know what I'm saying? At least. Maybe you could eat more. If you want, you eat more. Yeah. Super. Oh, there you go, bro. There's more. Go for it. You go for it. Bro. No, that's yours. That's yours. Bro, this is enough. I'm full. Oh, go for it, bro. Oh, shoot. Cookie gun. Alexander. We're the cookie gun, cookies. Cookie gun, gang. It's kind of weird. It's like, sometimes I feel like people are weird, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of like society is weird. Like, there's a lot of pressure in society to be certain type of way, you know, to be like, I don't know, like a mold, you know what I'm saying? It's like, society wants you to be a certain way. You gotta behave this way, you know what I'm saying? And it's kind of like a box. Society wants you to be a part of that box, to fit to every confine, every corner of the box. You know what I'm saying? But when you don't fit, they think you're weird. Like if you don't fit to the mold of society, they think you're weird, which is weird. It's weird, bro. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in being pressured by society to be identical to everyone else. Hell no, man. Your existence, your experience with the world is the most unique thing ever. You know what I'm saying? It's only one of you. Bro, you just gotta live it. Gotta embrace it. Embrace life. Life is beautiful, man. Every moment. Yeah. I mean, I don't care, man. That's how I live my life, bro. I don't care about society. I don't care about nobody, man. I'm just living every moment. Just with love, with God and love and peace, you know what I'm saying? Every moment. I'm telling you, bro. I don't care what people think. Bro. Go for it, man, bro. Please, bro, please. I'm full. I'm super full. Oh, I'm full, bro. I'm full. Oh, no, please. Too much sugar. I will crash. I will go to sleep. I go to sleep. Too much sugar. I have my chocolate. But like I was saying, man, society wants you to fit a specific mold. They want you to be the same. They want you to be identical to every single person. They want you to fall in line. That's what society wants. Don't ever do that. Don't ever betray your soul, your identity, your uniqueness, your magnificence. Don't ever betray your soul. Don't do that ever. Listen, I don't care what people think about me. I express myself and I walk with God. I walk with love. And people might be thinking like, holy shit, that guy is crazy as fuck. Like, what is he saying? Is he being pretentious? I don't give a single fuck. You know what I'm saying? It's all love. I don't care, man. I just walk with peace and love. I think that is ultimate freedom. I love that very much. Ultimate freedom. You see? It's just beautiful. I'm telling you, bro. Chocolate is good. It's kind of like this, man. It's kind of like this, right? Why I don't really fit into the mold of society, right? Why am I a bit of an outcast? It's because things of this material world don't really, well, they mean a lot to me, but I'm not attached to them. I'm just very appreciative of all of it, but I'm not attached to any of it. So I just live life and make the best out of every single moment. That's all I do. these are all illusions. To me, these are illusions. Oh, you take it? Okay, awesome, bro. Thank you. Havala, bro. Yeah. Anyways, I'm not sure if I should really be filming a lot. I'm not sure what I'm saying. I'm just saying it. I guess we gotta chill here. We'll be here for quite some time. I'm not sure how long, but we gotta chill here because it is raining a lot. Alexander, I gotta feel the rain. I gotta feel the rain. Let me see. It's not that bad. It's not that bad, man. It's actually good. Listen, man. Society can be a little bit weird sometimes. There are many things in society that are not good. A lot of things are messed up. A lot of things are bad. And we all know things are bad. We all know some things are messed up. But yet, we all pretend that we don't know. Which is freaking scary, man. Scary shit. For example, we all know governments and politicians oppress the people. They rob the people. They rule with a lot of coercion. Scary shit. But oftentimes, even though we know these things, we accept these things. And for good measure, because a lot of times they will come for you, which is weird. I don't know. I think we should stop pretending that things are good. Things aren't too good. However, I must tell you, this appears to be the most peaceful time in human history, which that in itself gives us a lot of reason to celebrate and to be grateful for life. But hey, I guess that is just a life. That's just kind of like this human experience. That's all it is, man. Like, I feel like in this human experience we can never be satisfied. For example, life is pretty good right now. I'm pretty good right now. I'm really good. Around the world, most people are pretty good. You know, things are not perfect, but things are a lot better than they were a couple hundred years ago. Things are pretty good. But even though things are good, we want things to be even more good. It's kind of like our nature to want, you know, to always acquire, you know. It's very fascinating, I guess that's just a human experience. We're always kind of like chasing, I don't know, chasing the next high, chasing the next accomplishment. Yeah, I guess sometimes it's good to just chill, just relax, just be cool. Just vibe with the moment, vibe with the rain. But yeah, this life, man, such a beautiful thing. Beautiful thing, this life. It's all love. Everywhere. It's all love. Today has been a good day, man. It's been a real good day. You know what? Every single day is a good day. Every single day. What the heck? It's raining again? What the heck? How did that happen? Pizza guy over here. Ah, no way, bro. No way. There's a Pikachu here. What the heck? There's a Pikachu. Yo, this is crazy. Yeah. I see you, Pikachu. I see you. I see you, Pikachu. I see you. Pikachu, y'all. This is very cool. Oh, this is a pizza spot. Ah, I did not know this is a pizza spot. Very nice. Take it easy, Pikachu. Very, very nice. Pizzeria cards. Yeah, pizza spot. Pikachu, bro. What the heck? Crazy. That is insane. Pikachu. That's amazing, y'all. Bro, there's a Pikachu. Pikachu, bro. Yes. What the heck? It's crazy, y'all. Yeah, man. So I guess this is my attempted tour of Apatin. It's not really a tour. It's just me out here, just with Alexander, just vibing out. Kinda wish I could do a tour, but I guess the weather is not really too good for it. This weather is not a lively weather. People don't really feel too lively, you know. The weather affects them, I guess. I don't know. So, but people don't seem too receptive, which is fine. Which is fine. People don't need to be receptive. It's still raining a little bit. But yeah, not too much to do here. So, I don't know. Kashmir. Looks like some sort of lotion. Says Kashmir. Oh, it's a shower gel. It's a Kashmir shower gel. Kashmir Cat. Super cool DJ. Kashmir Cat. But yeah, there's not too much to do at this point. I guess we will call it a night. I mean, life is good. Life is good. All is good. So I'm not sure who this guy is, but I'm sure he's a very important person. For your face to be painted on a wall, you must be a very important person. I'm sure he did a lot of things for his community. He provided a lot of value. I'm sure of it. Oh no. Ganger, 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 danger, ganger, danger, ganger. That's what that is. It is danger, ganger. Oh no. Danger, ganger. That's crazy, man. Danger, ganger, danger, ganger. That's what that is. You see, it's things like these. You have like these shampoo bottles all over the place, all over the world. And clearly it shows a leaf that is danger, ganger, right? That's what it shows. But yet, many places around the world treat the ganger as if it's something dangerous, as if though it's something evil. Of course not. How could it be? It's from God. It's from Earth. Come on now. Ciao, my guy. This is a very important guy. It's a whole painting of him on this 6-story building. This is one of the landmarks of Apatin as well. Fascinating. I really don't know who this guy is. If I'd known who he is, I would say who he is, but I don't know. Just munching on this muffin. Chocolate muffin. A chocolate man needs his chocolate treat. Alexander, a chocolate man needs his chocolate treat. It reminds me of my niece. My niece, Naya. I love that kid, man. I love that kid so much. I love that kid with all my heart. I call her my chocolate girl. Naya, if you're seeing this, you will forever be my chocolate girl. I love you forever, Naya. I love you forever. I love that kid, man. She's the greatest kid ever, man. I would always go to the park and I would always bring her with me. So I would take my niece to the park. I would take my niece riding bike. It's, man, some of the most epic memories of all time with my niece. Right. I love that kid forever, yo. This is for you, Nat. My chocolate girl. Listen, I am not a hippie, but I bring only peace and love. But I'm not a hippie. Don't get it confused. I am not a hippie, man. Like, not one bit. But I bring peace and love all the time. So I was telling Alexander that I don't really like restaurants or cafes, you know, where people go and sit. Because a lot of times you have like a lot of fancy people. And they're just like in their fancy seats, having their fancy experience. And I'm like, bro, what are we doing? You know? A lot of times I've been to these places and like, the vibe is, I don't know, it doesn't feel human. Like, whenever I go in there, we're all like, yo, what is up? Yo, what is up? You know what I'm saying? So like, the energy is just not the same. I'm not speaking about any particular restaurant or cafe. It's just the nature of it, you know, just the nature of it. Like, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know, it's like, bro, what are we doing? You know, if I'm in a kafana and I'm there by myself, who knows, maybe I need some time alone. I really don't know, but a lot of times I'm like, bro, I can't really be sitting by myself for hours, not interacting with people. What are we doing now? What are we doing? So, I'm just saying.